getting ready to fly in.
Continue on Jefferson Street.
Perfect. Hey guys, you join us here on another adventure, but we're on a camping adventure.
Yeah. We're in Cunningham Falls State Park in Maryland.
That's right. And we brought the Nucamp RV out, and we're going to stay the night here.
Yeah.
I don't know if we've showed y'all this before, but we bought this a few months back.
Yeah.
And it's a fun camper. It gets us out of the city and gets us out camping.
We've taken out about 3 or 4 times now, so we're getting the hang of it.
Yeah. So we've never been to this park before, but man, for 27 bucks a night, you can't beat it. And look at the trees and just the privacy around here. Wow. We love it so far. We've been here 2 minutes, but we love it.
Still getting it set up.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a little lunch and then and finish setting up, and we'll see what we get into.
Figured it out.
Going on an adventure. I don't know where we're going. We just see trails, so we're following them. I'm glad nobody is staying at this campsite. Well, we found the visitor center. I think it's closed, yeah. I think we're here kind of the off season, so bummer. I saw pictures though, it looked pretty neat. Oh, closed until further notice due to rise in avian flu cases. Whoa. I guess this is just closed all the time now. That's a bummer. Can we see inside?
It says closed for the season, so maybe it opens this
That
part.
looks pretty old though.
Yeah, I know.
And the pictures on Google looked really cool, this place. They were showing like bald eagles and all kinds of stuff. So we're out exploring, having a bit of a technical issue with the GoPro. It's always giving me issues. I feel like they're getting worse later. It's a GoPro Hero 10 and it doesn't want to stay on. It tells me it has 52% battery, but it just can't seem to keep itself on. Maybe it's a battery issue. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna keep exploring. Just taking trails, see where they lead us. Well, I'm really glad we looked around a little bit because there's actually birds in here. We thought they were all empty because it was closed. But man, there are owls and what was it, red-tailed hawks? Yeah. And a bald eagle. It's still here? Oh, he's down there too. I don't know if you can see him in the video. He's right there. Let me see if I can get a better picture for you.
He's getting ready to fly there.
So this is Blast. The turtle Blast we found.
Mm-hmm. They got him in 2010.
Hey, buddy.
Oh gosh, Olive over here was hit by a lawnmower and lost one of her legs.
Oh no. So we thought these cages were empty, but turns out there's turtles in all of them. This one, I don't know if you can see it right there, this shell.
This is Besley.
Besley. So we got Besley. That's Blast. You met Blast. What's this one over here?
Olive.
Olive.
She's the one that accidentally got hit by a lawnmower.
I don't see her.
She's right here. Like, you can barely see her shell.
I think it's easier to see on your side.
Yeah, definitely.
And then the last one we can't find.
That's Rachel. She's hiding.
Rachel's hiding. Probably in that box somewhere, if I had to guess. Pretty cool. Look at that, we found a little library. It needs some books, but it's here.
I just checked in and told everyone it needs books, so hopefully it's better next time.
Alright, we got our onions all chopped up. We're gonna get those on the Blackstone. I gotta give a quick shout out to Camping with Steve for this recipe, because I saw him do it on his last video and I was like, we're doing that when we go camping again. So thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna take some shaved ribeye steak, pop that on the Blackstone. Alright, we're gonna put on some of this seasoning. It's actually burger seasoning, if you can read it. But it's pretty good on everything we found. Not that side. We put it on eggs, we put it on beef, you name it. And I'm gonna put quite a bit on. There we go. Get you some of that. Alright, she's looking pretty cooked. Now we're gonna top it with some provolone cheese. Alright, here we go. Get it nice and cheesy. All right, we decided to add a little bit more cheese. What's a Philly cheesesteak if it's not cheesy? All right, guys, we're just about done. We're toasting the buns, and then it's time to eat. Looks good. Wow, that's so good. We use Hawaiian potato rolls for the bread, and that just helps it. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy our food and our dinner, and we'll catch you later. Well, we finished dinner and we decided to take it easy and enjoy the slightly cooler weather. It's trying to cool off, but clearly it's still not cold enough to put a jacket on, although some of us have.
Just to be cozy.
Yeah, just to be cozy. So we're just sitting out here and yeah, hanging out, enjoying camping and being outside. Well, we're going to just sit here and relax and enjoy a slow evening, and we will catch you in the morning. Good morning, guys. Woo. We're up bright and early, and it is time to make coffee. I don't know if I showed y'all yet our refrigerator, this Iceco. This thing is worth every penny. Hold on, let me get it open. By the way, I built that slide, the wood slide, by hand. Pretty awesome. Look at it, it's a cold 33 degrees in there. A little colder than I have it set, but probably just because last night was so cool. Here's everything we need for camping. Oh wow, we brought bacon. Berries. Get some of this out while we're in here. That's coffee creamer. Look, it even tells you what temperatures you need for everything. Pretty neat. It opens from either side. Definitely a must. Cheers. Now that's how you enjoy a cup of coffee. Alright guys, it's time to make breakfast. We've got some maple bacon, a little bit left over here. We got some more here. And some eggs. And probably make some toast or something. That'll be good. Guys, I wish you could smell this maple bacon. Trust me, go get some, cook it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, and tastes just as good too. We're almost done. It's cooking up just a little bit more here, and then we'll move on to the eggs and the toast. Alright guys, we're making our scrambled eggs. Using a little bit of that grease left over from the bacon to hopefully give it a nice maple bacon flavor. Alright, we got the toast on, we got the eggs done. Here's the eggs. Yum yum. I'm ready for breakfast. Alright guys, breakfast is ready. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. Let's dig in. Alright guys, well, we've been sitting here relaxing and enjoying the morning, but I think it's about time to start packing up and to hit the road. So we're gonna start gathering everything up and try to beat a little traffic and head back home. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We'll do more camping ones like this in the future now that we have the camper, so stay tuned. We'll see you next time. I was putting everything away on the camper and I looked over. It looks like this tree has been carved on a lot. It's kind of weird, kind of a bummer. Poor thing. There's a spider on it.
Ew.
Right there, spider. Get off.
Turn right on US 15 South.